At this point, you have activated your software, sent in the paperwork so that we can pay you or in the process of doing so. So let's log into the back office of your software. Once you log in, this is what it looks like. Now where it says, grab your affiliate link, this is the link you can promote, including on your social media profiles. Now the links are rather long, so we can create clickable links instead, like on social media or a QR code someone can scan, or we can set up a domain name. For me, one of the ways you found me is iwanttopayyou.com. That is an affiliate link. But instead of typing this long address we promote, iwanttopayyou.com. In another video, we'll set that up for you. Now, this top category, we have our mass marketable offers. In other words, an offer that the vast majority of the population would be interested in. Then as we move down the page, we broke this up into sections. For example, if you are a weight loss clinic, you want to promote one of the links for beauty, health, and fitness. Or if you are an insurance agent, you might want to promote one of the links for finance. If a category for your industry does not exist yet, we are working on it. But in the meantime, promote one of the mass marketable offers. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us. Otherwise, I want to invite you to move on to our next module and set up your domain name if you wish. Promoting you to our growing list of 250,000 customers is great, but I want to help you to get more referrals from your existing customers if you are a business. If you found us through iwanttopayyou.com, I'm going to walk you through a framework to make your first $100,000. One more thing, stay healthy, have a great day, and I'm glad I could help you.